Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to set an admin in Signal private messenger group chat. It's very simple and easy to do. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to set an admin on your group settings or your group chat. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Signal Messenger app. It is right here. Now go to the group chat option there. As you can see, I don't have any group chat on my profile right now. So I will simply guide you on how to do it. Tap the group name at the top to open group settings and scroll down to the members list, and when you are there, simply tap the members name you want to make an admin. Now select make admin from the menu. If you don't have a group, you can simply use this and make a new group to here. The member is now an admin and can manage group settings and members as they wish. And that's it guys, you have successfully set an admin in your Signal private messenger group chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the next Signal tutorial, and it is the same for both the iOS and Android devices, so it doesn't matter whichever device you have, it is same for both the devices. And this much for this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.